Good morning, everyone. This is Thomas Donahue from the Drivers Apex. Today, we're going to work on the E30. So we're going to go ahead and roll the quarter panels. I'm going to show you how to roll the quarter panels. I've never done it before, but it actually looks pretty easy. So follow along. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, drop them in the comment section. All right, let's turn it around. All right, so that is what the Fender roller looks like. So what we'll do is we'll take it off, I'll show you how to put it on, and then we're gonna start rolling. All right, let's go ahead and get started on this bad boy. So what I've run into, there's so much grease and stuff in here. Look at that. Yeah, that's nasty. It's just from the tire shine stuff. It's already better. I start it right here. There's like a little jagged piece right here, and that jagged piece was cutting into my tire, and I already smoothed it out a little bit, just experimenting. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how kind of the basics of this work. The big thing is just getting it mounted. See if I can mount it. There we go. And then it's going to use your lug nuts, wheel bolts, whatever it is that you're using. For me, if you've watched one of my prior videos, I converted this to studs. Best upgrade ever. If you haven't already upgraded to studs, definitely do yourself a favor and upgrade to studs. It's a cheap investment. I did not upgrade to titanium or anything like that, but I think I spent like $100 or something like that for all of these, and from a good brand. I don't remember the brand. It's in the video, but check it out if you haven't already. All right. So there's all kinds of different mechanisms here. So this here, this is gonna create, like, this is your angle, as you can kind of see. So that's for angle. And then of course this here, that's gonna go up and down. And then this one here rolls back and forth. So for me, all I did was it came in here, and then I pushed up here. And then what I do is I just kind of follow the track here, because what I'm working on is right here. So I want to put a little bit more tension there, so I've got less here and more there. Let's push up again. And then you could see right here, there's a little bit of resistance. So I can feel the resistance as I turn this. And we can kind of even, I wish you guys were here to kind of feel it. But yeah, you can see now there's that resistance. And all I'm trying to do is just smooth that part out. And you can go all the way down here. I'm not gonna go all the way down there. But what I want to make sure is, because I bought a new tire for that wheel, and what I don't want to happen, or have happen, is that I cut it again. Because while it's not as expensive as the E46 tires, it's still $110, $115 for a tire. But yeah, you can see here, I'm just rolling the inner side. So let me pull it around. Let's change the angle here. All right, let's give you the Thomas cam here. So that's kind of what it looks like, that angle right there. And then all I'm doing is just moving it back and forth to the angle that I want it to roll. And then it's hard to see up in here. But right, yeah, you can see it right there. That's the piece that I've been working on. It stuck out. It was a big triangle piece. So we're working on definitely getting this rolled out, and then through here, this handle, all we're doing is creating some tension and then rolling. So all I'm doing is just kind of concentrating on that spot, and I can feel like right there a little bit. So what I don't want to do is I don't want to crack the paint, and then I don't want to roll the fender any more than I have to. I know a lot of people, they could really push this out. That 14, those 14s, they're gonna get stored up there soon. I didn't get the wheels yesterday, that's okay. I'd rather the shop not rush. I'd rather get done right. But we'll do a video on the wheels coming back to the family and then driving the E30. Because the E30 is what really started this channel. So it is an important car for the channel. So we're gonna go to the other side in a minute, but this is what it looks like.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass bray.
For all time's sake. As time goes by.
All right, so there's another way that I've seen to roll, and that's actually coming in here, loosening this up, having the angle that you want, and then tightening like that, and then just kind of walking it, and it'll kind of roll and walk itself. So if I come in here, I can kind of match it a little bit. I can come in here, I can add tension, and it'll literally walk itself and fender roll at the same time. So there's a couple different ways, right? Like rolling back and forth like this, which is all I really needed to do for that one section. Or what we can do is we can create tension just by tightening it like that, and then if you look, it'll literally roll itself. Now you've got to be careful because you can end up making it lopsided looking, so you've got to just be paying attention to how it's rolling. But yeah, I like this way of doing it as well. I think this works pretty well. But here I just want to roll just so that it's somewhat consistent as it looks on the other side. And these are 15s, they're 8s in the rear. It's not like you're putting 9-inch wheels or something in the rear. So I'm just coming in very gently. And just slowly softening the edge and letting it roll. And you can pretty much let it do the job itself. Like, it'll literally take care of most of itself. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here off camera. I'm just going to push that in a little bit, and then we're good to go. All right. Fenders are rolled, or quarter panels, I should say. So no more sticking out there type stuff. I didn't go kind of too hard there. That was just a light rolling. Most of it was there. And we're just waiting on BBS RMs. All right, guys, I have never rolled fenders or quarter panels before. That was not super hard. It seems like there's a couple different ways. You can roll, right, with the resistance, or use the handle to create resistance, and that rolling moves it itself, and of course rolls the quarter panel or the fender. That was kind of fun, actually. I've never done that before. Be careful doing this. You can't undo what you've done, so take your time, guys. All right, hope you guys like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and drop those comments in the comments section, and I will see you next time.